Your website is getting traffic, which is great. You've invested in bringing visitors to your digital doorstep, but take a look at your analytics. How many of those visitors are actually engaging? How many leave without ever starting a conversation, representing a missed opportunity for a sale, a lead, or valuable feedback? That's where we come in. With SnobBots Chatbot Integration, you give every visitor a voice and an immediate path to connection. We transform passive browsing into active, meaningful conversations that drive real business results. It's not just a chatbot, it's your automated frontline for customer engagement. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just install a single code snippet on your site, securely connect your existing CRM, and train the bot on your specific business intents. Our intuitive interface guides you through every step so you can go live in minutes, not weeks. Our AI-powered bots offer 24/7 multilingual support, ensuring no customer is left behind, regardless of their time zone or language. They handle routine queries instantly and know exactly when to execute a seamless handoff to a human agent for more complex issues, ensuring a perfect customer experience every time. The results speak for themselves. Our partners see dramatic increases in lead conversion and customer satisfaction, all while reducing operational costs. And with our transparent, flexible pricing plans, you can find the perfect fit for your business, whether you're a startup or a global enterprise. Stop letting potential customers slip away. It's time to unlock the full potential of your website traffic. Start your integration today.